and Mr. Foreman, because he did not claim Jack, is not sure how much he would have got.
All right, thank you. Okay, Ms. Foreman.
Yeah, so first off, I'd just like to address the large bill that was given to, Mr. Foreman at the end of 2022. That was for uninsured orthodontia for Eva, our daughter. It wasn't necessarily a large bill given at the end of the year. DCS requires you to have a $500 threshold. The bill must be $500 or larger to turn in. So once I turned that in, it was turned in October of 2022. So then once they did all their paperwork, they gave him 30 days to respond and then set in garnishment because he never had responded. This is 2021. I'm backwards. This is 2021. In 2022, Ms. Winkles was my attorney, and I did claim both the children for that year. And then his attorney, Andrea Blond, came back and said, no, medical does not count. It's not for medical, it's only child support. I amended my taxes, I signed the form, and I gave it to him. For the year of 2021, Mr. Foreman did claim Jack. So when we went to court on June 1st of 2022, I asked that the child support would include extracurriculars, uninsured medical, and child support. He said yes, it would, and the extracurriculars were not contingent upon filing any of the children or Jack for the taxes. So this year in 2022, we went to court. In the minutes, you can see the orthodontia was addressed. They asked if there was any bills. I stated yes, there was. The judge, so he was told then that there was a bill. I texted him. He then sent me the information for the app. So I did start downloading. Uploading those bills. I did send screenshots of the app. You can clearly see that they're divided by medical expenses, extracurricular expenses. So in his first declaration, he stated he immediately just quit using the app, uninstalled it. Although it does send email notifications as well. So even uninstalling that, he would have received all of these as well. Through 2022, he also argued when I did tell them that there were bills, there were multiple phone calls over the phone, that medical didn't count. It was like the following year. I sent him screenshots of the parenting plan. I circled those. I included that as well, saying, yes, it does count. The story has changed 4 times since this proceeding. So first story is that the medical didn't count. And that was Exhibit 7B. Second story, 7E, was that I used the app